Hello GATE aspirants. So the day all of you prepared for is finally here, and I hope you have followed a certain plan. Maybe you studied for just 1 month or 2 months or a year or 6 months, whatever it was. But I hope you have prepared well in that time and you're ready for this exam. But right now there could be certain things that might be going in your head. That you might be getting a lot of stress and getting nervous about the exam. So I just want to tell a few things here. That is, you had your time, you prepared whatever subjects you could prepare. So right now, if you're worrying about the things that you could not go through, the subjects you didn't touch, the topics that you left, so forget about all of that. There will be enough questions in exam for you to solve in those 3 hours. Whatever your preparation level is, there will be enough questions and you have to make sure you solve those questions correct. Forget about the things that you could not cover, the topics that you left. Even in exam, if you are looking at question and then you are feeling bad about that you left this topic, then forget about all of that. From now till exam is over, you have to remove all those thoughts actively from your mind, because even from the topics and subjects there is a lot of chance that you might do some silly mistake because your mind is wandering off, it is thinking something else. There is a lot of stress also in the exam. So because of that, there is a high chance of doing silly mistakes in the exam. So if we talk about the preparation level, so we are already so close to the exam, so you can't change your preparation level at this point. At max, what you can do is to revise the formulae. Revise the formulae because that is you already have studied those things, so it makes sense to revise it right now. But if you're trying to put any new information in your brain, then that is not going to be of any help. But your mindset about taking stress and about thinking about things that are not in your control, that you have to change. Because if you're thinking right now about your rank, about your level of preparation, or you're regretting that you should have spent this much time studying, or what will you do in future, when will I get job, there could be so many things that you can go through. But you have to tell yourself actively that you don't have any control over those things at this point. You had your time, you prepared whatever you could, and now is the time to attempt the paper with full focus and with a relaxed mindset, not with a stressed mindset. So for the remaining time, I would suggest all of you to engage in some relaxing activities. Don't try to solve more questions, don't try to give more mock tests. You already had that time and I hope you already did all of that. You have to make sure you are relaxed on the exam day, because I have met people who have prepared for a very long time and knew all of the things, but because of so much stress, because of so much worrying, they could not perform. And I've also seen people who didn't prepare for a very long time but had a very calm mindset on the exam day, and because of that they could perform better. So for the remaining time you have, try to engage in activities that relax your mind. If you like to listen to music, then listen to music. If you like to take a walk or play some game, then do that instead of force feeding some new information that may not even stay, or that you may not even be able to recall on the exam day. And even when you are attempting the exam, your mind will again try to wander off. It will try to go through all these thoughts. So you have to actively make sure that you keep your focus only on the question in front of you. If you know the question, spend time on the question. If you don't know the question, then just skip it right away. At that point, if you are wondering, oh, I should have studied this topic, and regretting that fact, then there is no point, because those 3 hours are very critical. There is not enough time. Again, I'm reiterating the fact that there will be enough questions for you to solve in those 3 hours. and there is not enough time to think about anything else apart from the questions and the topics you know. So do spend your time carefully, but at the same time don't give yourself stress about the rest of the world. So I hope all of you do well in the GATE exam and perform your best and avoid all these silly mistakes, because more than the things that you don't know, you might be feeling bad later about the silly mistakes that you did in the exam because of your mind was not concentrated or it was too stressed. So you have to make sure it is relaxed. So I hope all of you give your exam well and do well in your exam, and I give you all the best from my side and from our team, and we'll talk to you after the exam.